Original bad man, you don't know.
It's fake kills.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam Maulana. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you, I appreciate you. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to achieve this cut, crease, brown, and like out of the box, extra eye look, as well as the black, like just this look. All right, that's what I'm here for. So I really do hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I love you so much. Mwah, mwah. Well, hello munchkins. So today's video is gonna be a very simple brown smoky eye with the very distinct winged liner. Like I said, it's supposed to be all simple. We will see how that goes, but for now it is a simple eye look. I am going to just prime my eyes, and to prime my eyes I'm just gonna use my LA Gold concealer and pray to God I don't ruin my eyebrows. Guys, I've been loving the way I'm doing my eyebrows these days. It's almost like I'm like a beauty YouTuber, man. Like I'm doing the damn things with these eyebrows. I'm not going to set my eyes using my Yardley translucent powder. Just dab everywhere. Don't be scared. Okay, you are the boss of this powder. It is not the boss of you. You are just setting that concealer to make sure that you have a clean base. And now that we've done that, I'm now going to go into my Revolution palette, and I'm going to go into this brownish nude color as a transition color. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place palette, and this is the Nubian 2 palette, and these are the colors that it has, and we're just going to use one, two, three colors to achieve this look. So I'm going to go in with Madagascar. Madagascar's this beige-ish brown right here, and I'm going to just use that, and I'm using the same brush so far because there's no need for precision whilst doing this. You're just kind of just creating your smoke here before, you know, you have to do the darn things. So just be patient and keep building. And it is almost like a flat brush, and I'm going to go into Kenya. Kenya's this maroonish brown right here, and I'm just going to work it into the corner right there. So just nothing hectic, guys. This one trick that's been working wonders for me when it comes to cutting my crease, and that is using one of my lighter Maybelline Fit Me concealers. The brush is very precise and small, so I feel like it kind of helps me get into those, like, it really helps me carve out my eye without any stress or pressure. So it's basically just doing that, and then looking up. And there you have it. Now all I have to do is follow follow that line. And now that I've carved out my eye, I am going to go into my Revolution palette, and I'm going to take that beige color right here. I'm going to use a packing brush, like it's almost like a flat brush. Just pick that up and pat it in, just to set that eye. Take your time, there's no need to rush. We are 8 hours ahead of China. I'm going to go into my Nubian 2 palette, and we're going to take the color Yo. It's like an orange shimmer color, which is the one that I use right here, and we're just going to pack that into the eye. After we've carved that out, I'm just going to go in with a cotton pad with some micellar water, and I'm going to clean my eye, going up where my wing is supposed to then come. Then just like that, we're now going to just wing that out, and after we've winged it out, we're going to go on and continue and finish off the eye look. Whilst we wait for my lash glue, I'm going to go into my eyes and I'm going to prime my lashes using the Big Colossal priming mascara. There's a big part of me that feels like you can actually just use this and not use mascara if you're gonna wear falsies. Because it's tinted, I feel like it does half the job. I'm going to follow that by using my Maybelline Rocket Volume Express mascara. My nails look so crusty. Oh my god. Can you just see the switch up once you add lashes? So the eyelashes that I'm wearing today are the ILO 117s. They're like almost like that wispy style design. Let's go and do this base. So I've already primed my face, and as per usual, I used my L'Oreal Infallible Primer, and then I set my primer using my Yardley Translucent Loose Base. Now I'm going to go on and add my base, and the base that I'm going to be using today is my Revlon Color Stay Foundation in the color Hazelnut, I think. No, in the color Bronze. This is by far my favorite drugstore foundation, and if you guys are wondering why I don't use it often, is because it's taking the last kicks of a dying horse. There's nothing in there. Like, I can't even use the pump. I have to dip in there and take the product that I need. Guys, the struggle is so real. That's why I haven't used it in a single tutorial, because I've kind of just been saving it even for a good day. Okay, that's a lot of foundation. I hope. You see, this is what happens when you're just being this person. Anyway, what can I do when my budget isn't allowing right now? And I'm just going to blend that. I think of all the shades that I've ever bought in the drugstore, this one is the perfect match. Like, guys, Revlon done did the things. So I am in the shade for oily to combination oily foundation in the shade Bronze, and it's got SPF 15. I actually haven't tried their brand new foundations, and I feel like it's for that reason, because I don't know if I'll find a shade. Hopefully I will, because I would really love to try them. And now that I have based my face, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn. If you guys have any suggestions whatsoever on a good concealer that I can use, then please do let me know. I feel like this girl needs more options. Okay, I can't be coming here to show you guys the same things every single day. And just for that extra highlight, I'm going to go into my face with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color in 10. I don't know what the name of 10 is. It's very like bright, almost white. Haha, that's a rhyme. It's a bright, almost white. Because of our eye look, I feel like we deserve a really contoured, bronzed up face. So I'm going to go into my face with my L'Oreal Infallible Stick Foundation in the color Espresso. This is a very cool concealer, especially for me. So what I'm going to do is I will come back and kind of just bronze up and neutralize that using some of my powders. I'm now going to go into my face using my Vault Cosmetics powder in light yellow. Whilst I wait, I'm going to go into my face back again with my Vault Cosmetics powder in the color red, and this is going to be what I use to bring back color and to just further cut and contour. Whilst my under eye continues to bake, I'm going to go and finish off my eye look. To complete the eye look, I'm going to first off go into my eye with this color Kenya, which is the maroon that we were using, and a very precise brush. I picked up so much, the level of fallout is ridiculous. I'm going to go back into my eye with my Essence eyeliner in black. I think it's called black, in Black Fever. And I'm just going to tight line my eye, then go back with Kenya and just blend it out. And now that my under eye has, in my opinion, baked enough, I'm just going to go in and wipe that powder away first, all that excess, before I start blending it, because I didn't want to spread the fallout. I'm going to go into my blush palette, and this is the Saharan Blush Volume 1, and I'm going to take this Yara powder. I like how soft it is, and I'm now going to go into my face with my Revolution Pro Fix powder, Pro Fix spray. Why do I always say powder? I'm just gonna spritz my face. And whilst my spritz dries up, I'm going to go back into the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm going to take Zuri. Zuri is this like almost icy gold shimmery color, like a champagne shimmer. I'm gonna go in with a small little brush into the inner corners of my eye. Whilst we wait, I'm going to go into the palette, and I'm going to pick up a little bit of Zuri again and just use that as my highlighter for the day. To finish off the look, I'm going to go back into my lips with a black lip liner and my lipstick from MAC in the Spirit, and I'm just going to line my lips. Now that I've lined my lips, I'm just going to add my lipstick. I'm going to just spritz my face with my L'Oreal Infallible Mist, and I'll see you guys back in a jiff. Alrighty honeys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the support. Thank you for every single like, every single comment. I really do appreciate you guys. Have a wonderful weekend, and should you recreate this look, please be sure to tag me on Instagram, at me on Twitter, Facebook. I'm everywhere, guys. You can even come and comment in the community page on YouTube. Anyways guys, have a beautiful day. Miriam loves you. Have a wonderful weekend. I will catch you guys on Monday. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye. And if you're bored, you can watch the videos that I'm gonna put right here, like just here or here. Ciao.